The VECELO drafting table combines rustic aesthetic appeal with practical functional design, featuring an impressive 0 to 90-degree tiltable 12mm MDF tabletop that enables complete workspace customization from flat computer desk configurations through vertical easel positions, perfect for architectural drawing, fine art painting, and technical drafting applications. The heavy-duty metal frame incorporating triangular leg bracing delivers exceptional structural integrity and stability, preventing wobbling or flexing during intensive creative work regardless of pressure applied to the angled work surface. Measuring 40.2 inches length by 23.7 inches width by 29.5 inches height, this drafting workstation provides substantial work surface accommodating large-format artwork, technical drawings, and mixed media projects while remaining proportionate to typical home studios and professional workspaces. The rustic brown finish radiates warmth and character, complementing farmhouse, industrial, contemporary, and eclectic interior design aesthetics. The intelligent dual-drawer storage system with 2 fabric drawers positioned conveniently beneath the work surface organizes pencils, erasers, paint tubes, brushes, stencils, and creative supplies while maintaining immediate accessibility during focused sessions. We share by links in description box. The integrated pencil rack provides dedicated organization space for drawing implements, maintaining tools in ready-to-use positions near your active work area. The comprehensive assembly package includes matching cushioned stool, assembly tools, and detailed instructions enabling straightforward setup in approximately 2 to 3 hours. The spacious storage capacity accommodates diverse supply quantities, supporting serious artists managing extensive material collections and creative tools. The powder-coated metal frame resists rust and corrosion, ensuring reliable performance through years of daily studio use in humid environments and challenging conditions. The cushioned stool provides comfortable seating throughout extended creative sessions while remaining lightweight for convenient storage or repositioning. The friction-based angle adjustment mechanism enables smooth transitions between work positions while providing secure locking without gradual slippage. The versatile design transitions seamlessly between technical drafting applications and fine art painting, making it valuable for diverse creative disciplines. The 13.65 kilogram weight indicates substantial construction quality supporting multiple supplies and materials without structural compromise or safety concerns.